if it works and you can make money on it, we're going to run traffic to it. So
Well,
I don't,
the good thing is math works, right? It's not like
math works.
all those for all of you who have kids that are doing public school and have to learn that new fancy Common Core math nonsense. This is not that math. This is like the old school easy math that we used to do.
Yeah, like put a dollar in, get a dollar and a half
Yeah,
out kind of
exactly.
math. Yeah. And so and that's the thing. So we don't want you to think we're traffic agnostic. We're really offer agnostic too. Like there isn't any kind of offer. All kinds of offers work great. Lead gen offers work great. Info offers look great. E-com offers work great. We have a model to run them all. So it just kind of depends on what you like doing. When you run this kind of stuff, when you do it through CPA networks, because here's how the typical conversation goes. Hey, John, you run a traffic. Yeah. I want you to take a look at my offer. First of all, that's a bad idea, right? Because I haven't ran any traffic to it. We've all been there. I mean, I get these calls every day. It's a bad offer. It's unproven. They don't know their math. And Kyle and I used to sit down with guys and say, well, what's your average customer worth? And they'd say, what, Kyle?
Well, it depends. We probably had, I don't know how many meetings, John, maybe, I don't know, 50, 100 with at least with different product owners. And I don't think, has anybody ever told us what their average sale was without
No.
some sort of disclaimer or something?
No. And it's
No,
like,
not
well,
one.
we kind of figured it depends. That's why we call it an average,
Yeah,
right?
right.
So I didn't know it was Wharton School of Business here. I thought that this was like fifth grade math. So that's the thing, right? So you take these guys and these CPA guys, they know exactly what their customers were. So like the one offer I showed you, we were doing close to 400 grand a month. That offer right there, it was an $8 purchase, but they were paying $80 because they know exactly what that customer's worth when it hits them. So they front load our stuff. And so every time somebody makes an $8 purchase, we get $80. It's math. They give you most of the money up front. And in fact, they're probably losing money, but they know their numbers. So it's not like your buddy Bob who wants you to run affiliate traffic. And so many times guys and gals come to us and they say, well, we can't make affiliate marketing work. Well, it's because they don't understand the affiliate marketing math. They're like wanting to run some offer that just doesn't pay enough money. And it's hard to make those work for paid traffic. So and forgive me if I'm getting too detailed and in the weeds, but when you're an affiliate and you're running front end traffic, you're getting most of the money up front if you're making a lot of money. That's how that works. So we're great. Well, what kind of products work for this? Man, there's everything. There's 10,000 some odd products on here. I could go into one affiliate network and show you anything from Nutrisystem food to health clinical trial lead gen that we've ran, info products that we've ran. I mean, financial products, Bitcoin, porn stuff. I mean, there is so much stuff out there to run that you can't even describe it. There's thousands of products, thousands. Yeah, e-com stuff too. That's another thing that's got a lot of bigger nowadays is all these e-com companies are popping up and they've got really cool, like neat gadgets that they run. So it's cool. Kyle, anything to add on what kind of products you can run? I mean, we ran everything.
Yeah, I think and most people, if they're not aware of this world, probably don't understand or realize, but like you said, I mean, you could get a product to sell of somebody else's in any niche or any place that you had any sort of interest in.
Yeah, it's just on and on and on, like kind of anything you want. And so people always ask me, well, what's your favorite product to promote? The one that makes me the most money, right? That's my favorite product to promote. And so that's what we do. You'll see Kyle and I promoting all kinds of stuff. Here's an example of a product that we were promoting. It kind of burnt out, but here's an example. So it's an info product. And you get, because we did a lot of volume, we get 100% of the commission on the front end, meaning everything that they made. And this is what I'm talking about to all you agency guys. This is how you turn the table around on the client because they don't know how to get traffic, most of these guys. Like they don't know the kind of world we live in. So we get all of the upfront money. So in this particular instance, I think it was a $60 transaction. We get all of that. And then they had a reoccurring like $20 a month thing. And that's how they made all their money. We got 50% of that. So we get the majority of the revenue and we're not doing anything. Like we're not Customer service, we're not doing that. Merchant accounts, we're not doing that. You know, Anne Marie's got a problem with the such and such and emails customer support. We're not dealing with that. And we get the majority of the money because we know how to run traffic. And so if you guys know how to run traffic, this can happen for you too. And so we're getting the CPA numbers. By the way, when you're dealing with Facebook and Google, you know, you're going to target and stuff like that, but eventually the algorithm's going to do most of the heavy lifting here for you. So let's just do some math here. We say the product's going to pay $65 and we get a sale. Our goal is to acquire that with paid traffic from $45 to $50. Here's another common question. What kind of ROI do you get? Well, that does depend. Sometimes we'll get 20% ROI a day, and we've had offers to do 300% ROI a day.